Hi there, it's Tracy Venturi with Keller Realty, the Venturi team, coming to you today thinking about ways to save money on how much you pay on your mortgage. By now, you should have refinanced, and if you haven't, that's a different topic. But let's talk about a way to save substantially on your mortgage over a 30-year note. The strategy would be to pay your mortgage bi-weekly. So we all just get a mortgage and we sign up and we just pay monthly because that's how it's always been. But if you pay bi-weekly, you'll actually make an extra payment every year, which would cut down a 30-year note to be a 25-year note. So substantial savings to not pay for 5 extra years for your house. So how to do it? Take what you normally pay. Let's say right now you're paying $1,500 a month in your mortgage. Take it, divide it by 2, pay $750 every 2 weeks. And by doing that, you'll actually make 26 payments in a year instead of 12. And those 26 half payments or bi-weekly payments will actually equate to 1 extra payment, but because you're prepaying your interest early, well before it's due, it actually almost effectively is making 1.5 extra payments per year. And just making that extra payment or paying bi-weekly actually cuts 5 years off your mortgage. So your mortgage would be paid off in 25 years instead of 30 years if you do nothing else but change to bi-weekly payments. One other thought on that is maybe you want to change to bi-weekly and add $50 to your payment or $100 to your payment. You'd be just amazed at how much that extra $50 or $100 on your mortgage payment will shave time off the 30 years. So there's great online calculators. You can do the math yourself, but I tried it with lots of different things. We refinanced about 1.5 years ago, so we have 28.5 years left on ours. So I was saying I got online and I tried ours, so we just refinanced. We had 28.5 years to go, and I just put our numbers in with different calculators to see what the payoff would be, the amortization schedule. And I found at different interest rates, different balances, it still came out on a 30-year note to save 5 years. So no matter what your dollar amount of your loan is or your interest rate, this bi-weekly payment strategy does cut 5 years off pretty typically in every scenario. So that's kind of the tip for the day, and I thought it was pretty neat because just prepaying that interest makes a huge impact on how much we pay on our mortgage over the life of the note. So if you can afford to pay bi-weekly, and a lot of us pay bi-weekly anyway on things or get paid bi-weekly, it's a great way to go. It's great information. Feel free to pass this email along to friends and family that you know that might benefit from it. And as always, we appreciate your time. Thanks so much. Talk to you soon.